I hadn't studied the platform enough to know how to put my policies in place to avoid the show up at the door type thing. But there is a way you can go and do that once I talk to them on the phone. But it was just it's a learning curve. Each platform is a learning curve. Peerspace, Earl might have history with it. We learned about it, but I hadn't implemented it yet or had any bookings through it yet. I do have it out there on my listing, but I hadn't got anything that neither with Furnish Finders have I got anything.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And so for discussion purposes, I really believe whatever strategy you use, as I'm going to show you guys right now, Priceline, Price Labs allows you to create parent and child relationships so that I'm going to show it with you guys what I mean by that. So that just like we can tie our calendars together, if you create a parent listing, a child listing is going to be a reflection, a mirror image of whatever rules you set up for the parent. So if your Verbal is the parent and your Airbnb is the child, they're going to be identical images. The rules will be the same. The expectations, your highs will be the same. Your minimum prices will be the same. So there is a way of doing it all